This is Brian Dolby reporting from the IP Cable World Summit. I'm here with Wouter van der Beek of the UPnP Forum. Wouter, you've just presented this morning and you talked about a new certification programme, UPnP Plus. What is it and why is it so important to the industry?
This is very important for the industry because UPnP Plus enhances the normal UPnP certification program so that it also includes cloud access and more interactions inside of the home. So you can do quite a lot more with UPnP Plus and in a way more secure way.
And also I think it enhances the interaction between the mobile device and the television?
Yes, it also includes a new service which device manufacturers can create their own service, but they can detect the service already inside of the home network. Normally you would have to create something completely from scratch, but this gives an infrastructure so that device applications makers can easily create new features for their functionality that they want to develop. So creating games distributed among devices and using your television as a main screen is now very easy with this new framework.
I think you mentioned briefly there that it involves cloud technology to some extent, but also I guess it's an example of Internet of Things.
Yes, so one of the other things that all this infrastructure will give is the Internet of Things. And as I know it's a very, very large topic, but from UPnP perspective we like to see this more in the context of a smart home. So when you want to play a movie, so you already can control your curtains and set your lighting on the scene so that you have a more ambient atmosphere inside of the home. This is something that we already demonstrated at the IBC, and by having this certification process we can now also make sure that the interoperability of all these devices inside of the home is guaranteed.
This is really just the latest development from UPnP Forum, isn't it? You have quite a history.
Yeah, so when we started out more than a decade ago, we had quite a lot of infrastructure made to distribute video and audio around the home. This is already being deployed in billions of devices. So basically all Windows PCs has this, all smart TVs has this already on board. Now we are just leveraging with this certification program and with all the new added features of UPnP, we make sure that this functionality then also can be used from outside of the home. And also with the Internet of Things on the horizon, that the devices will become cheaper and cheaper, we can integrate these kind of existing functionality in a larger scope so that you will have a more seamless experience inside of the home.
Great, well thanks very much for talking to us today.
Thank you as well.
So yet another advantage of the mobile phone that you have in your hand.